heavy rain. Oh, they had lots of police here. What's going on
It's
here?
a Wallahi thing.
They had lots of police. Something's going on here. Come on, guys. Just hold on. They had lots of police there. Something's going on there.
What do you mean?
Something's going on there. They had lots of police. I don't want we got trouble there.
What do you mean? There's lots of people.
Hmm? Maybe they are shooting.
Are you serious?
Hmm?
No.
No. Don't close there. Far away. Be far away. Lawrence, be safe.
I'm like, listen.
Come on, don't close too much. Something's going on there. Something's going on. Oh, maybe something's going on.
It was a hockey game.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good.
Oh my god.
Ah. Because they had lots of police. Mhm.
Why would there be one here?
Huh? Ah, hockey game?
Yeah.
Ah, people watching hockey on the street?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then we go there. We're gonna watch for a while. Huh? Yeah. Huh?